When it comes to pricing services, most accounting firms are massively undercharging for their work, spending too much time calculating their fees and then closing too slowly. So, why is this the reality for so many? While some accountants are charging a premium for their services, are able to instantly calculate fees, generate proposals for prospects, and repeatedly close clients with ease, too many aren't, and that's got to stop. My name is Mark Howard, and I've worked in advisory services for 15 years. I've narrowed this down to two main reasons. The first, accountants don't have access to a central database for pricing to compare and see what the going rates in the industry are and what they can charge for them. This means that most accountants are generating conservative pricing that is far from what their true value is, and it's taking days or even weeks to make it happen. The second reason is that they're missing critical elements of the sales argument like visual representations of ROI and proper tempo that naturally result in their prospects feeling comfortable and saying yes to engaging them. And it's these two reasons that so many firms are undercharging for their services, spending loads of time and failing to acquire new customers efficiently. But this is exactly the problem that BookGel helps accountants solve. We've created AI technology that uses massive industry data and pricing analytics to help accountants in three key areas: nailing the right price automatically, instantly generating engagements, and getting paid in one flow. The result is higher fees and closing more business clients. BookGel has a built-in algorithm that uses tens of thousands of data points from accounting firms all over the US to not only generate the right fees for your services, but to do so instantly and without any hard work on your end. It then creates stunning visuals and engagements to be sent directly to clients to streamline the sales process and get paid. The result, more revenue and less expense. It's what we accountants like to call profit, and it's what BookGel does for CPAs all over the United States right now. If you're a firm owner and want to increase your revenue by 20 to 50% in a matter of days and wow your clients, head to our site and request a demo from someone on our team.